In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Obsidian. Folders are a simple but powerful way to keep your notes organized, so your ideas are easier to find and your workspace feels more structured. Whether you're managing class notes, project research, or daily journals, a few well-named folders can make a big difference. Start by opening your vault in Obsidian. Your vault is the home for all your notes, attachments, and settings. Once it's open, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see the File Explorer panel on the sidebar. This is where all your notes and folders live, and it gives you a clear, tree-like view of your vault. At the top of that sidebar, look for the New Folder icon. It typically looks like a folder symbol, often with a small plus sign. Click it to begin creating a new folder. The app will prompt you to enter a name. Choose a name that reflects the kind of notes you plan to store there. Something short, specific, and easy to scan later. For example, if you're planning to collect meeting notes, label it in a way that makes sense to you. Consistent naming helps you stay organized as your vault grows. After typing the name, press Enter to create the folder. You'll see it appear instantly in the File Explorer. That visual confirmation is your cue that the folder is now part of your vault and ready to use. You can create as many folders as you need to reflect your projects, categories, or workflows. Now, to organize your notes, simply drag them into the folder you just made. Click and hold a note in the File Explorer, then drop it onto the folder. The notes location will update, but its content and links remain intact. This is a safe way to tidy up without losing anything. If you're working with a lot of notes, move them gradually, checking that each one lands where you expect. As you go, think about grouping related notes together so that you can navigate intuitively later. As a final tip, don't worry about getting the structure perfect on the first try. Organization is an evolving process. Start with a few clear categories and adjust your folder names as your needs become clearer. The key is to make your vault easy for you to use every day. That's it. Open your vault, find the File Explorer, click the New Folder icon, name it, press Enter, and drag your notes in. With that, you've built the foundation for a cleaner, more focused Obsidian setup.